today we'll learn about arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. So this is new chapter for you. So arithmetic progression. To say arithmetic progression, we understand numbers arranged in certain order. So it is in pattern. All the numbers are in pattern. So even in nature, we have seen that the petals of a sunflower, are equally equipped beautifully to give a nice look. Even we have seen that grains on a maize cob, all the grains are equipped one after another to give a nice look to the maize. So the same way, the certain pattern in this number, in this sequence. So 1, 2, 3, 4, these numbers are in pattern. So 2, 4, 6, 8, all these numbers are also in pattern. So here all these numbers bigger by 2, 4 is bigger than 2 by 2. So this is 2 bigger, again 6 is also 2 bigger than 4, 8 is 2 bigger than 6. So all these numbers are bigger by 2. So these sequence, all these are in arithmetic progression. Now how to check arithmetic progression? Now one number, it must follow the certain pattern. So suppose we need to check this is in arithmetic progression or not. So first we need to check the common difference. Common difference between these two numbers, that is 2 minus 1 is 1. Again difference between the next two consecutive, that is D2. 3 minus 2 is also 1. D3, that is 4 minus 3 is also here. Here we are finding that all these common differences, D1, D2, D3, these are called common differences. So these common differences, all we are finding 1. So these numbers in sequence, since common difference all these are same equal, so this is in arithmetic progression. Therefore it is an arithmetic progression. So all these common differences are here equal. Question number 2. Here these are the example. These are the example of arithmetic progression. 2. Let's check this is in arithmetic progression or not. So this is common difference, first one, second number minus first number is 2. D2, that is third number minus second number, 6 minus 4 is 2. Again 8 minus 6, that is also 2. So here we are finding that all these numbers following a certain rule, that all these common differences are equal. So this is also an arithmetic progression. So since all these common differences are equal, so it is arithmetic progression. It is an arithmetic progression because all these numbers are in pattern. Let's check question number 3, whether all these numbers are in arithmetic progression or not. So here D1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. D2, common difference 2, that is 5 minus 3 is 2. D3, this is 5 minus 7 minus 5 is also 2. So here we are finding all these common differences are equal to 2. So they are following the certain rules. They are in sequence. Therefore, it is also an arithmetic progression. So when we find the numbers are in pattern, numbers are in a certain pattern, then it is arithmetic progression. So let's enter in the exercise 5.1, question number 1. You all open your textbook and read question number 1. The taxi fare. After each kilometer, when the fare is 15 rupees for the first kilometer and 8 rupees for each additional kilometer. So here we have to understand the meaning of the question. So here it is told that for the first kilometer 15 rupees and thereafter for each kilometer 8 rupees extra. Then if we follow, then first kilometer 15 rupees. Then what will be the fare of the second kilometer? Now second kilometer, that 15 rupees will come plus 8 rupees extra. Then 15 plus 8 for the second kilometer. For the third kilometer will be that 15 will come plus 8, 16 will come. So in this way, it will go. First kilometer will be 15 rupees fixed. Then second kilometer will be 8 rupees extra. Third kilometer will be 8 plus 8, 16 rupees extra. So in this way, taxi fare increasing. So let's check whether this is arithmetic progression or not. Then this is 15, 23, 31 in this way. So is it an arithmetic progression? So here D1, 23 minus 15, this is 8. D2, this is 31 minus 23, this is also 8. So here common differences we are finding in order, that is 8. Common differences are equal. Since D1 and D2 both are equal to 8, then it is an arithmetic progression. It is an arithmetic progression because all these common differences are equal to 8. So they are in pattern. Let's see question number 2. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air containing in the cylinder at a time. So here volume of air, removing 1/4 air of the remaining. So amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air. Then volume, if we suppose volume is V, then first one V, 1/4 air removes, then remaining 3/4. Then what will be the next volume if 1/4 removing? Then 3/4 V. Then next also 3/4 again will come. Then 3/4 whole square V. In this way it will go on. So here we are finding all these are not in sequence. So here D1, D2, all these check, D1 and D2, all these common differences are equal or not. Let us check it. Then D1 3V/4 minus V equal to 4 LCM. Then here 3V minus 4V getting minus V/4. And what will be the common difference? 2. Now here 3 square is 9V by 4 square, 4 is 16 minus second, third minus second. So this is 3V/4. LCM is here 16. 9V minus dividing 16 by 4, we obtain 4, then 4 3 ja 12v. Then 9v minus 12v. This is opposite. These two signs are opposite sign of the bigger term and subtraction. Subtracting 9 from 12, getting 3v by 16. Here we are observing that d1 is minus v by 4, whereas d2 is minus 3v by 16. So here d1 and d2 not equal. Since d1 not equal to d2, it is not arithmetic progression. So d1, d2, d3, all these differences should be equal to be arithmetic progression. Question number 3. You all read the question. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it cost 150 rupees for the first meter. For the first meter 150 rupees and thereafter 50 rupees extra. Then for the first meter 150. Question number 3. For the first meter 150 rupees and thereafter for each meter 50 rupees extra. Then for the second meter will be 150 plus 50, 200. What will be the cost of digging the third meter? Now that 200 plus again 50 rupees extra, that is 250. In this way it will go on. For the first meter digging 50 rupees. For the second meter 50 rupees extra, then 150 plus 50, 200. Again for the third one 50 rupees extra. So in this way the sequence is formed. Now, is it a arithmetic progression? Here we are understanding clearly that all these numbers are bigger by 50. So it will be arithmetic progression. So let's check in mathematically. Then here d1 is 200 minus 150 is 50 rupees, and d2, that is 250 minus 200, this is 50 rupees. So if we list all the prices for digging, then we will find that d1, d2, d3, all these are in sequence, that is 50 rupees. So here d1, d2, all these are equal. Since d1 and d2 equal to 50, so it is an arithmetic progression. Let's check question number 4. Read question number 4 and understand the meaning of the question. The amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 rupees is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. So here it is given compound interest. So we need to know the formula for compound interest. Amount of compound interest. Amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. This is the formula for amount in compound interest. So amount for the first year, principal is here 10,000 rupees. Then amount for the first year will be P, that is principal, here 10,000 rupees into 1 plus R, rate of interest is here given 8%, 8 by 100 to the power n. First, that is 1. First year, that is 1 year, is power here 1. Then for the second year, P, principal the same, 10,000 1 plus r, that is 8 by 100 to the power n. This is for the second year, so power is 2. And what will be the amount for the third year? Now this is also 10,000. 1 plus r by 100 to the power 3, and so on. So here we are finding these are not in order, not in pattern, so it is not arithmetic progression, because they do not follow D1, D2, D3, all these are not equal. So today we have got the knowledge about this arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? When numbers are in sequence or in pattern. So these numbers should be in pattern. So we'll continue in the next video. Thank you students for watching. You all have a nice day.